Hey y'all, and welcome back to my spring cleaning series. This is part 3, and today we are going to tackle my family room and my entryway, and I'll also decorate just a little for spring. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is move all the furniture out of the way, and then I'm going to pull the TV away from the wall so that I can sweep and clean the baseboards. And now I'm going to slide the TV back, and then I'm going to dust and put everything back, and then I'll focus on dusting and sweeping and mopping the fireplace area. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm Tiffany, and I would love it if you left a comment down below to just say hi and introduce yourself. I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back, and then I'll move on to dusting the rest of the furniture.
Your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like.
So I had actually vacuumed this area before I put the rug and the furniture back, but I forgot to press record and I didn't get it, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, I'm going to vacuum the rug and put the furniture back in place, and then I'm going to flip the cushions and the pillows. So now I'm going to move the table so that I can sweep and clean the baseboards, and then I'll dust the table and put everything back, and once I'm done with that, I will move on to clean the rest of the baseboards. Here, I'm just sweeping the bottom of the glass door, and then I'm going to use the shop vac to clean out the crevices of the track to the sliding glass door, and then I'll move on to sweeping and dusting and cleaning the baseboard. Now I'm going to dust the bookshelf and everything on it, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to dust the pictures and clean more baseboards, and then I will move into the entryway area.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt.
So now I've moved into the entryway, and I'm going to move the table so that I can sweep and clean the baseboards, and then I'll sweep, vacuum, and mop.
Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip.
So before I put everything back, I'm going to wipe the door down, and then I'm going to move back into the family room because I forgot to clean the glass doors.
But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. 'Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt.
Now that we've gotten everything cleaned, I'm going to decorate a little for spring. I wanted to add a pop of color to my entryway table just to brighten it up a bit. So I purchased that milk can from Walmart for $7.96, and I also picked up 4 bunches of the boxwoods from Walmart for 97 cents each. I got everything back in January, so I'm not sure if they still have the milk can, but I know that they still have the boxwoods. And since the milk can was so deep, I added some plastic bags to the bottom just to give me the height that I needed.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go.
I got this wreath from Dollar General with another project in mind, but it didn't work out, so I thought that I would hang it here. I'm not quite sold on it yet, but if y'all could let me know in the comments what you think about the wreath hanging here.
This is what I want now, and yeah, I'm waiting for something better. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending.
So now I'm just going to change out the flowers on my mantle and my ottoman. I already had these on hand, but I bought them from Dollar Tree last year.
It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, so you can go.
And the last thing I needed to do was vacuum.
You wanna stay or you wanna go? Babe, I can't handle this anymore. I'm up at the break. Whatever done, what how I done. If I'm not the one, I'm not the one. Can feel my feet on solid ground. I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me. Cause you're all that I want, could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling
Okay, y'all, we've come to the end of this video. But before I go, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers who've been rocking with me from the beginning. And thank you to all of my new subscribers. You all have helped me to reach over 330 subscribers, and I thank God for every one of you. I hope that I was able to give you tons of cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.